Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to get 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So first, you're going to want to go over to where it says subscribers right here, and then you're going to want to right click and hit insert limit like this, and then when you're here, you're going to want to go to 10 subscribers, and you're going to want to hold down 0. And then when you've had enough of zeros, you press enter, and then you close it at 11:50. Now you have 1 million subscribers in only a few seconds. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial video. Next time I will teach you how to break into the United States of Hollywood, and for using follow, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.